Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable private tables in Airtable sharing settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable private tables in Airtable sharing settings, first, open your Airtable base. Locate the base you want to modify from your Airtable dashboard. Click on the base to enter its overview. Once inside the base, find the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Share button to open the sharing settings. Look for the link sharing options in the sharing settings menu. If link sharing is currently enabled, you will see the option to edit it. To disable access to private tables, toggle off the switch that allows link sharing. Now, navigate to the Collaborators section within the sharing settings. Review the list of current collaborators who have access to your base. Click on the name of any collaborator if you wish to modify their permissions. Select the appropriate permission level for each collaborator, ensuring private tables are kept secure. After adjusting permissions, be sure to confirm any changes made. Close the sharing settings by clicking the Close button or simply clicking outside the settings window. Your private tables are now disabled from being shared with external users. That concludes the process of disabling private tables in Airtable sharing settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.